Let's consider a few more examples demonstrating the priority of the amino group over other functional groups such as alkyls and halides. The parent chain is chosen such that is the longest carbon chain containing the carbon atom connected to the amino group, even if there is a longer chain without the amino group. Example, we choose parent chain octane, whereas the amino is the part of the chain. Despite being shorter, octane is the parent chain since it contains the amino group, while nonane does not. So, the complete name is 4-butyl octane 2-amine. The amino group has the higher priority than alkyl groups and halides. Example, 1-chlorooctane 6-amine is incorrect name because amino doesn't have a lower number. Even though 1,6 gives a lower numbering, it is not correct since the amino group is not the lowest possible number. Therefore, change the numbering of the parent chain. Number the carbon chain to give amino group the lower number. So, the correct name is 8-chlorooctane 3-amine or 8-chloro-3-octanamine. When the compound contains functional groups that have higher priority than the amino group, then it is represented by a prefix amino. When the multiple groups are present, the one with the higher priority is given a suffix and the one with the lower priority is given a prefix. For example, if we put an alcohol and amine on the periphery of a carbon chain, the alcohol gets the priority. Therefore, it is assigned with a suffix while the amine is assigned a prefix, like the alkyl substituents. This also indicates that we need to start numbering the carbon chain from the OH group. So, the correct name is 3-amino-propane 1-ol or 3-amino-1-propanol. Next example, the correct name is 2-amino-hexane 3-ol or 2-amino-3-hexanol. And then remember the suffix and prefix of the amino group, amine and amino respectively. And for the alcohol, it is hydroxy and ol. In common names, we treat the carbon chain as an alkyl group bonded to the nitrogen atom. The alkyl group is added to the suffix amine, forming a single word. Example, butane, we change as alkyl group butyl and add to the suffix amine. So name is butylamine. Next, we have cyclohexane change as alkyl group cyclohexyl and add to the suffix amine. So the name is cyclohexylamine. Common names for most aliphatic amines are derived by listing the alkyl groups bonded to nitrogen in alphabetical order in one word ending in the suffix amine. That is, they are named as alkyl amines. Example: methylamine, butylamine, triethylamine, and phenylamine. The reaction of aniline with bromine water can be used as a chemical test for phenylamine, or we call as aniline. The amino group is an activating group and auto-para director like OH group in phenols. Aniline reacts with bromine water without catalyst to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. The reddish-brown color of bromine is decolorized and white fume of hydrogen bromide is given off. This serves as a confirmatory test for aniline.